The Jackery Explorer 2000 V2 kit delivers substantial stored energy and strong continuous output in a relatively compact body, making it well-suited for serious home backup and off-grid use without feeling unmanageable to move. Its included carrying bag adds real-world practicality, protecting the unit from scuffs and weather on the road, while making it much easier to haul for camping trips or emergency evacuations. Fast wall charging that can refill most of the battery in about an hour, along with app-controlled emergency and quiet modes, means you are not waiting all day to be ready for the next outage or adventure. Support for solar input lets you pair the station with panels to create a quiet, renewable power setup that can keep essentials running for extended periods when the grid is down. The long-life LiFePO4 battery chemistry combined with clean operation and no exhaust fumes makes this a safer and more durable alternative to traditional gasoline generators for indoor or enclosed use. Thoughtful touches like near-silent charging, smart temperature-controlled fans, and very quick switchover when the power fails give the Explorer 2000 V2 kit a polished, confidence-inspiring feel in real emergency situations.